बिग ऑर्डर છે આપણો बिग ऑर्डर છે એટલે હું મોટું પેજ કરી દઉં ને બોલો ચાલો ટુ સ્પેશિયલ મિક્સ પૂરી રેડી છો તમે બધું ટુ મસાલા સેવ પૂરી યા યા મસાલા સેવ પૂરી अच्छा एक पाव भाजी છે કાલે બધા ઓન ચાલુ કરી દો બધા ગેસ ઓન જ કરી દો સ્લોલી રગડો ચાલુ કરી બધા ચાલુ हेलो मोगू भजिया रेडी पापड़ी चाट रेडी हेलो भाई पापड़ी चाट
मोगू भजिया
पापड़ी चाट पाव भाजी पूरी
VARSHA'S Bhel Puri Pani Puri. Hello. Jessica
કેમ છો
You're the street food restaurant or street food cafe. Everybody's been telling me I have to come here. I've come specially to eat your food, your street food.
Thank you so much.
So it's like street food heaven. I think I'm going to have to spend a month here. Look at the food you got here.
Yeah, you can.
What do you recommend?
Masala Sev Puri the best.
So I have to get that as well. So let's get that.
You want one Masala Sev Puri and one Bhel Puri and one Petis.
All right,
thank you very much.
Cheers. This is a classic Indian street food from VARSHA'S Bhel Puri Pani Puri shop or stall on the street. Let's have a taste while it's still freshly made and tell you what it tastes like. Looked visually appealing. It tastes absolutely delicious. I'm not going to even bother with a spoon. I'm just going to take it as it is. The first thing you get is a crunch and a bite from the puri. Also some crunch from the cell or the gram flour noodles and some crunch from the onions. It's an absolute avalanche of flavors. You got some tanginess, you got some sweetness, yogurtiness, a subtle chili heat, sourness, very, very edible, if that's the right word. I'm glad I came here. People have been recommending to come here. Finally managed to get here. Worth every mile to get here. I could just as well be in India eating from a street food stall, but no, here I'm in Leicester, in the heart of the UK. This is being served up. Delicious Indian street food, tasty, exquisite, a superb balance of flavors, just hits the spot perfectly. I'm going to carry on eating this and I'm going to stop recording. It has to be eaten fresh and it has to be eaten before it gets soggy.
Bhel Puri ready?
Thank you very much.
Special Bhel Puri, our banner item.
Let's get that, thank you.
Our special banner item as well. And here we go Petis as well. Inner
thank you.
Peas, kachoris, masala inside.
What's your name again?
VARSHA'S Bhel Puri Pani Puri.
God bless you. Thank you very much.
And thank you so much. Desi Krishna.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is the Bhel Puri. It looks visually appealing, it looks visually appetizing. So you can just about see the ingredients. I can see some potato there, you can see the pomegranate, you got the grated coconut topped with the cell and the puri. Let's have a little taste and see if it lives up to what it looks like. I'm going to take another bite because it should be enjoyed while it's still freshly made and retain some of that crunch. So let's have another taste. The same as the Sev Puri. This Bhel Puri is an absolute explosion, an absolute avalanche of flavors and textures once again. Not too much chili heat, got some crunch from the cell. So the sauces they've used, sweet, sour, tamarind sauce, which gives a tanginess, some mintiness. You can taste the freshness of the freshly grated coconuts. Every time you get a bite of the pomegranate, that adds this additional tanginess, sweetness. It's a great balance of flavors, a good level of spices, full-on flavors, mouth-wateringly good. It's a little taste of India in every bite here. Absolutely delicious. Let's have a little bite of puri. Puri is very fresh as well, very, very crunchy. What elevates this dish is that it's all freshly made, so it has that mix of textures, the crunchiness. If you make it even half an hour or 1 hour before, it all goes soggy. This is freshly made, freshly served. That's how a Bhel Puri should be eaten and enjoyed. And when I come back to Leicester, I'm definitely going to come back here again. So I've got the petis here. Comes with a green sauce or a green chutney. Have a taste without the sauce first. Because it's been deep fried, you got a crispy coating to the potato, a satisfying crunch to it when you bite into it. And then the complete opposite, you got the softness of the potato. The potatoes, I don't think are spiced. May have been seasoned with a little bit of salt. And then you got the mashed peas, the mushy peas. Very, very simple, very, very tasty, very yummy. Gonna take another bite while it's still piping hot. Gonna have it with the green sauce or the green tip. The green sauce, a little bit chili, very, very tangy. A little bit of zestiness in there as well. And I think it's a tamarind and coriander chutney and a little bit of mintiness. A perfect accompaniment with the petis. Genuinely delicious street food here. Thank you.
Kichi ready?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You want tea or takeaway?
Tea takeaway as well, yeah.
Tea takeaway.
Yeah, thank you.
Tea ready?
Oh, thank you. Nice one, thanks.
Pani puri ready? Dahi puri ready? Thank you. Choose. Masala Sev Puri? Mixed puri? બે મસાલા સેવ બે મિક્સ પૂરી થઈ ગઈ તમારી પાવભાજી બાકી સ્પેશિયલ મિક્સ પૂરી રેડી હાલો થેન્ક યુ Thank you so much. It's VARSHA'S Bhel Puri Pani Puri, Cobden Street, Leicester.
How long
and
have you been
we
here?
are based from like 16 years now,
Really?
from 2003. And pure vegetarian food.